Hello students, in my previous video I have explained you the request letters written to the bank. I have explained you that there are 8 types of request letters written to the bank. And about the complaint letters written to the bank, there are 3 types of complaint letters written to the bank. Today I am going to explain you few examples of the request letters written to the bank and the complaint letters written to the bank. First, I will explain you few examples of request letters written to the bank. Letter to open a Demat account. Before I explain you how to write a letter, first I will explain you what a Demat account is. A Demat account, short for dematerialized account, is an account to hold financial securities, equity or debt in electronic form. In India, Demat accounts are maintained by 2 depository organizations, National Securities Depository Limited and Central Depository Services Limited. A depository participant, such as a bank, acts as an intermediary between the investor and the depository. Now let us see how to write a letter. Here we will read an example. Name and address of the sender. Then leave some space, date, month, comma, year of writing a letter. Then on the left hand side, write phone number and mobile number. Then the designation of the receiver, name of the bank and address of the bank. Here all the request letters and complaint letters to the bank are written to the manager of the bank. Then subject. Here the subject is to open a Demat account. Then comes the salutation, Dear Sir, on the left hand side. Let us read the letter. I have held a saving account number 00911356690 with your bank for the last 6 years. Bank has introduced various new schemes and customer-oriented services, as a result of which reputation of the bank in Lonavala area has increased. Recently, the online banking and Demat account opening campaign launched by your bank has received a good response. I also desire to open a Demat account for the trading in share market. I want to connect my Demat account with my saving account number 00911356690 with your bank. I assure to obey the rules and regulations required to open the Demat account. I shall maintain the minimum quarterly balance of Rs 5,000 as per the conditions of the Demat account. Here you are explaining to the bank that you will obey the rules and regulations required for opening a Demat account. Herewith, I enclose a duly filled in Demat form 2 photographs, photocopies of license, PAN card and a check for Rs 500 to activate the Demat account. As soon as the Demat account is opened, I request you to send its password and customer ID so that I can operate the Demat account. Then close the letter. I expect a prompt procedure in this regard. Then on the right hand side, write a closure, yours faithfully, name and signature. Then on the left hand side, enclosures. How many enclosures are there? 4. Let us read the next example. Letter to obtain educational loan. Same. On the right hand side, we will write the name and address of the sender. Then leave some space. We will leave some space, date, month, comma, year of writing letter. Then on the left hand side, phone number. And then if we have mobile number, we will write the mobile number also. Then the receiver's designation, the manager, name of the bank and address of the bank. Then subject, request for educational loan. Salutation, sir. Then body of the letter. I hold a savings account number 201332245 with your bank for the last 8 years. I have taken benefit of all services of the bank which I sincerely appreciate. Second paragraph. The state government and your bank have jointly introduced a scheme of educational loans for the weaker sections of the society. Under this scheme, I too desire to get loan for higher studies of my daughter. After completing graduation, my daughter has got admission in the reputed institute, the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. The fees for her entire education is rupees 12 lakhs. It is inevitable for me to seek an educational loan to meet the expenses. Please let me know the necessary procedure and required documents in this regard so that we can keep them ready, which makes administration of borrowing loan smooth and prompt without delay. Then cooperation is expected. Then on the right hand side you will write yours faithfully, the name of the who's the person who is writing letter, and signature. Now let us read an example of complaint letters written to the bank. Letter drawing attention towards error in bank statement, that is passbook. Here let us read the example. On the right hand side, name and address of the sender, then date, month, comma, year of writing letter. Then on the left hand side, phone number and mobile number. Then the designation of the receiver, name of the bank and address of the bank. Then salutation, sir. Subject, error in the bank statement. We will mention here in the bracket. Let us read the body of the letter. I have held a joint savings account with my wife bearing number 10123245556 with your bank for the last 9 years. All our financial transactions are carried out through this account. In the next paragraph, we will write the error in the passbook. We get the details of each and every transaction carried out with the bank through a quarterly statement provided. I would like to draw your attention towards an error in the last statement. Then we will mention here in the month and year provided by the bank. On such and such date, month and year, we deposited rupees 17,000, but the amount is shown as debited. Its effect is found in the quarterly interest we have received. As per our calculation, the interest amount should be rupees 1,956, but the entry made is shown as rupees 1,622. I request you to send a rectified statement after due verification of both the entries. Then on the left hand side write thanks. Then closure on the right hand side, yours faithfully, name and signature. Then on the left hand side, closures, copy of statement. I hope you have understood this chapter. Your homework is: number 1, select the correct option from the given answers in the following questions. Then number 2, answer the following questions in brief. Number 3, answer the following questions to the point. Number 4, draft the following letters. Thank you.